What's up, guys? Here I am at the Tesla factory over in Fremont, California. Just pulled in now, and all these Teslas are sitting here in the electric vehicle parking lots right in front of the Tesla showroom. So this is the Tesla main showroom right here, and I'm hoping to just take a look at their showroom, see what they have, and hopefully get some detailed shots of some of their cars. The showroom now, I'm just passing by all the cars that are parked right in front. P90D Ludicrous, 85. So working our way to the showroom. Look at that, how awesome does that look? Let's go this way, take some pictures. Check that out. It's actually my first time seeing a Supercharger up close and in person. So here it is, the Tesla Supercharger. Charging up, I'm assuming either employee cars or cars for test driving. Let's walk over here. You can see all these charging only, of course. Beautiful. There it is, Tesla Delivery Sales Center. Oh yeah. All right, here's the sales center. The Tesla Sales Center.
Oh, this is a bucket list item that we've been working on.
Let me, what should I get on the front? Would that be best? So you can probably you can close it all, then open them all, right?
Yeah.
Let's do that. Hold on. Let me see here.
What do you want to?
Okay, go for it. And then let's open it. Oh, so pretty.
Yeah, it's fun.
What's been the biggest, how would you say, I don't know if a complaint or, about the doors, or, just the, it's such a unique design. I mean, what's the feedback from people? Are they liking it? Are they not liking it?
People are loving it.
Mm-hmm.
It's definitely something you're going to get used to, because I don't think many cars have this.
Yeah.
There were concerns when it first came out, but all those little issues have actually been fixed, so,
yeah, so
I haven't heard anything recently.
Okay. Yeah, look at that. That is just ridiculous. Yeah, there's my bag. There's my bag in the back seat. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? This is white. Well, how is this even right?
I saw a video of this woman putting like ketchup and wine on it, and it did well. You didn't?
Alright, it's recording.
Okay. Do you want me to just do it on the...
Actually, how do you put it where you... Oh, there you go. It's Ludicrous mode.
Next battery power. Okay.
Alright. 0 to 60 in Ludicrous mode on the P90D Ludicrous option for the Model X.
Alright.
Here we go. Let's see. Full stop and go. Just drove this bad boy. This thing is freaking gorgeous. Look at that. Look at me. Happy guy. Look at this. So just also went on a test drive. Kaya, who was nice enough to give me a test drive, also showed me launch mode on the 100D, Ludicrous mode on this Model S. And launch mode is ridiculous. Holding down the brake and the accelerator all the way down, you hear the engaging of the back brakes, and then you basically let go of the brake and it'll launch you 0 to 60 in like 2.5 seconds. So that feature was the very first time I saw that, and that was ridiculous. No wonder why you see these quarter miles or these drag race videos of the P100s or the Ludicrous mode ones, you know, breaking 11-second barriers, because these things are so fast. The acceleration on these things are so instant. So here's a bunch of new customer cars. They actually don't even have a demo. They don't even have a showroom with a car in it because it was sold. But here's a customer car pickup. So here's all some new Tesla owners that are waiting to pick up their cars. And there's also a big old tent in the background of a bunch of other Teslas that are waiting for their new owners. From the Tesla Fremont test drive, super awesome. I couldn't videotape the test drive. They don't want you videotaping in the car. So the only time she did videotape me was when I did my 0 to 60. But hopefully I'll be able to come back and do another one. So hope you enjoyed it. Take care.